harvest. Bismillah. Sorry po. Uulamin ko na kayo, okay? Sorry. Uulamin ko na po kayo. Please, bunga-bunga more. I will take some. Look at that, they're going all under, Daddy, now.
You can take out one of the branch, no problem.
Yes, like
Yeah,
this
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Because
There are so many branches, so it's fine.
Okay. Oh my God, I really miss those one. I get this one.
Yeah, yeah. Take little longer the branch. Yeah, the whole branch.
Because they are getting more branches. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do is just insert it here. I'll just insert there. And balatong. Sorry po, kukunin ko po kayo. Ulamin ko muna kayo. Look at that, I like that. And then take the leaf. Oh God. It's a very good idea. There's another one coming again. I can take that one, Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Keep going up. Sorry po, uulamin ko na po kayo. Ay. Oh, okay. Sorry po. Uulamin ko na kayo, ha. Okay.